in my 4-car race. One of them is going to go, the other 3 can go down these lines here, go right over the edge and fall up there, while one of them hits the style like that, bling, and the fire comes out. When that happens, the car wins. So that's my track. Unfortunately, I didn't set up ramps because I didn't have enough. So here's the offer. See how the track works. See? And I guess that one's the winner for today. So here's the trophy. These are the cars in the lineup. Obviously, this car, this car, this car, and this car. They're all 4 made from puff wheels. And they just fit exactly on the trick track. Even when they're not, or they are on trick track, they do fit on the trick track very, very easily. So this one's the winner because it hit the silo like this. Boing! And after that, the fire came out. Right?
Right.
Whoa, I almost tripped. I didn't want to be tripped. Right?
Right.
That was pretty dangerous. Ugh. Sometimes I have a little trouble getting these puppies. Once I set them back into their launchers, it's the end. 3, 2, 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.